Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings to change the theme. This is where Chrome keeps Appearance controls. Once in Settings, choose Appearance and then the Theme link. That opens the Chrome Web Store themes or built-in options. Make sure you're signed into the profile you want to update because themes apply per profile. If you use multiple profiles, repeat from the Profile Avatar menu so changes affect the correct Chrome instance. You now pick a theme from the web store or built-in gallery. Focus on color, contrast, and background images because they change tab readability. Once you click a theme entry, use the preview or screenshot thumbnails to inspect how tabs, toolbar, and new tab backgrounds will look. If you need a darker toolbar for contrast, choose a dark theme. If you want brand colors, search by keyword. Make sure to consider readability on small screens before applying. You finish by clicking Add to Chrome to apply the chosen theme. The change is immediate across the profile. If you don't like it, return to Settings, right arrow Appearance, and choose Reset to Default Theme to restore Chrome's original look. If a theme doesn't appear or looks broken, disable visual extensions and clear the browser cache, then reapply. Sometimes extensions override colors. Finally, sign out and back in or restart Chrome to ensure the new theme is fully applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.